Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a donut unicorn. Now, to start off with this, I'm just going to trace a nice circle, and I'm just going to use this small paint palette to trace it. Now, when I trace my circle, I'm going to leave just a little bit open at the top. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to trace a nice circle all the way around here. And when I get towards the top, I'm just going to leave a little bit open like that. Now, the reason I left this part open up here is because I want to put a little unicorn horn on there. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up. So I'm going to start here and just draw right at a diagonal towards the top. And then I'm going to come down and do the same thing over here. So I'm going to make it a little bit rounded at the top. And I'm just going to come down like this. Now right here we want to connect it with a curved line. So I'm just going to make a small line that just curves around and comes right to there. Now right down here I want to make kind of like a little nose for our unicorn. So I'm going to start right down here, and I'm just going to make an oval shape that just goes around, and it's just going to curve back down here. And I'm going to draw this right down here as well. And that's just going to be kind of like the little nose of our little donut unicorn. Now, starting right here in the middle, I'm going to add another little circle shape, and I'm just going to leave the top open just a bit. So you want to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. It's going to come up, and it's going to stay open like this. It kind of looks like a fishbowl, just a little bit. And then starting right here, you're just going to make a little line that curves over. This just kind of helps make our donut look a little bit more three-dimensional. Now, starting on each side, I want to add some eyes. So starting right here, I'm going to make a circle. And then I want to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to try to do the exact same size circle. And if you can't make it exactly the same, it's okay. Now inside of here, I'm going to add a big circle and then a smaller circle underneath it. And I'll do the same thing over here. Big one and then just a little smaller one. And then I'm just going to color this in. Now, once you're done with the eyes, we can kind of start on the nose here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make two little black dots for the nose. And then I just want to give it just kind of like a cute little mouth. So I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down, and it's going to come back down and up like this. Now I want to draw some frosting that goes all the way around here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line that's going to come down. So we'll start right about here. And I'm just going to make a little wavy line that's going to go right about to there. Then I'm just going to continue this line and bring it all the way up to here. Now, on the top here, I want to add some ears. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to curve down. And then same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and then it's going to curve down. Then I'll do the same thing inside. Draw a line that goes up and then down. And then another one here. It's just going to go up and down. Then right inside of here, you want to add a few little diagonal lines that are just curved a tiny bit for some detail on here. And then I'm going to add some sprinkles on here. And there's lots of different ways you can add sprinkles. I'm just going to make some little circle shapes that go all the way around here. And I'm just going to fill up my icing with some of these little sprinkle shapes all around here. Now for some more details, I might add some eyelashes onto the eyes. And then if you want to, you can come up here and you could add a small bow. I might add a little circle shape, a little line that goes up and down, and then one up here that just goes up and down. And then I'll put a little curved line inside each one. And there you go, there's your drawing of a simple little donut unicorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.